Alright guys, Bitcoin just got rejected exactly where we said it would, but I don't think the move is over yet. Let me show you why. So Bitcoin swept the golden pocket and the anchored VWAP and is now seeing a rejection. We said yesterday that this area right between the golden pocket and the value area high is a big resistance for Bitcoin. And we mentioned that just like last time when Bitcoin traded slightly above the anchored VWAP for some time before moving lower, this could be the case here as well. And as you can see, that's exactly what happened. Bitcoin got rejected. And if you watched yesterday's video, you know we also pointed out the hidden bearish divergences that were forming on the RSI on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, and even on the 12-hour time frame. And on the MACD on the 6 hour and 12 hour as well. So we had bearish divergences on essentially almost every time frame, all lining up at this key area. And Bitcoin got rejected right from there. We also called for a short around these levels with a stop loss above the high at 72,000 US dollars. Now I didn't short Bitcoin because I'm still in a short from higher, but I did fire a brand new short on Solana and that is now in a very nice profit. Now what about the targets? Bitcoin is currently trading around the point of control of the fixed range volume profile. But I don't think it sees a big bounce here and let me show you why. The CME gap is sitting at approximately 66.8 thousand US dollars. And 90% of the time when price is this close to the CME gap, it gets filled within the first week. That level sits under our point of control and I would say that's a much bigger level and will likely attract Bitcoin's price very soon. So that would definitely be a major target for my short here. And taking profit when Bitcoin hits that level might be wise in my opinion in case Bitcoin finds support there. Now I have something very interesting to show you, but before that, hopefully you did watch yesterday's video because we called this move exactly. And if you guys are finding this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Alright, let's get back to the video. Another thing that is telling me Bitcoin is likely to fill the CME gap soon is this chart. If you remember, I showed you this on Sunday as one of the indicators for a bullish start of the week. And we did get the Monday pump exactly as expected. But now look at what's ahead. The days with the worst returns for Bitcoin in 2026 are still coming. Tuesday is red, Thursday is by far the worst day by a mile. So this CME gap at 66.8 thousand US dollars could definitely get filled literally in the next few days. And another reason why it would be smart to take profit at the CME gap is this. If Bitcoin hits that level and makes a higher low compared to this low right here and the RSI on the 2 hour makes a lower low, that would form a hidden bullish divergence. And on the 4 hour RSI as well. And potentially on the 4 hour MACD too. So there's a chance that multiple bullish divergences line up right at the CME gap, which would make it a strong area for a reaction. And that's exactly why taking profit there makes sense rather than getting greedy. And if you open up the liquidation heat map, you can see that there has definitely been some liquidations stacking up just above the recent high at 70.5 thousand US dollars. Now that doesn't mean it has to get swept, but it's definitely another magnet for the price. So a take profit at the CME gap fill is a good idea in my opinion. And yesterday I also showed you this chart where most Monday pumps in 2026 got retraced later in the week or literally in the next few days. And now we can add another red arrow right here. Same pattern playing out again. Monday pump followed by a rejection. So the data keeps confirming what we've been seeing. So that's where we are right now. Bitcoin got rejected at the golden pocket and the anchored VWAP exactly as we called it. I'm targeting the CME gap at 66.8 thousand US dollars as the next move and I'll be looking to take some profit there and watch for a potential bounce. As always, this is not financial advice and manage your risk. Let me know in the comments what you guys think and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.